guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my Boxing Day makeup tutorial. So on Boxing Day I do like to still go glam because we still do things on Boxing Day. We have a little party. So today is my Boxing Day makeup tutorial. I still like to wear full on makeup for Boxing Day, and I know lots of people go out on Boxing Day, or if you're having a house party, or just if you're doing things in the house, whatever you're doing, sometimes it's still nice to put glam makeup on. And yes, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. So I've got my Christmas penguin dress on. So yeah, let's start with primer. I'm going to prime my face using the Barry Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. Then for primer, I'm going in with the Rimmel Matte Primer All Day Shine Control. And I'm using my Real Techniques stippling brush. Then for foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. Mine is in the shade True Ivory. This is very full coverage. And I'm using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to apply it. As you can see, that one pump did my whole face. That's how full coverage it is. So now for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer. Mine's in the shade Ivory. And I'm mixing that in with Fair as well, just because it is a bit too light for me. I'm blending this in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now for powder, I'm using my Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder in the shade Transparent. And to set my eyes first, I'm using my e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my You Spicy 31 brush. Now I'm going to move on to contouring, so I'm using my e.l.f. contour palette. I'm going to go in with the contour shade using my You Spicy 27 brush. Then I'm using the same palette for bronzer, going in with a bronzer shade on my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. Then for blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Exposed, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. And then for highlight, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlight in the shade Lunch Money, using my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm going to be using Colourpop Pressed Powder Eyeshadows. So I have a made-up palette here with just full of them. So the one that I'm going to be going in with first is this one here, which is called Wake Up Call. And I'm going to pop that through the crease using my Morphe R37 brush. I'm then going to do the same thing with this one here, which is called Made to Last, and it's more of a pinky plummy type shade. And then taking my Morphe M412 brush on this shade here at the bottom. This is called Top Notch, and I'm popping it on the outer corners and blending it through as well. I'm then going to pop all of those eyeshadows on my lower lash line using the Morphe E18 brush. And then going in with a little bit of this shade here, which is called Labyrinth. And I'm going to pop that through the crease as well, just a little bit. Then I'm going in with this sparkly shade here, lovely, perfect for Christmas. This one is called Indio. Normally I apply eyeshadows like that with my finger on the lid, but there's so much glitter, I'm going to use this Colourpop flat shader brush to apply it. Now I absolutely love how that looks. My only issue is that I have glitter everywhere, but for Boxing Day, who cares? So now I'm just going to set my face really quick using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Then for eyeliner, I'm going in with my NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. So I'm going to curl my lashes now using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. Then I'm going in with my Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara. Then finally for lips, I'm going in with nude lips today. So I'm using my Maybelline Colour Sensational lipstick in the shade Tantalizing Taupe. And then I'm going over the top of that with some NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. So this is my complete Boxing Day makeup tutorial. Very sparkly, very glam, very glittery, perfect for a party or just a house gathering, or just for spending time with your family and you just want to glam up. Whatever you do, if you go out, if you stay in, this would be perfect for you to try. And it's mostly affordable products except for the blush. And all the eyeshadows were affordable. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you had a lovely Christmas and I hope you enjoy the rest of the festive season. And just thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!